So I cut the audio out of this because there's a fan running in the background and the music is really loud. But this is a 2016 F550 tow truck that basically stays on the same lot, and it has since 2016 and barely goes anywhere. It moves cars around for auctions, and they wanted to know why it was white smoking, why it felt like it was under power, and why there's oil all over the place underneath the vehicle. Yeah, that's the pickup tube right there. No oil's getting through that. And the turbo's gone. And there's oil slung all underneath the bottom of the vehicle. The valve cover's leaking as well, piston out of both sides. This is what we call excessive idle time and lack of maintenance. Yeah, that's candy for the kids right there, baby. Stuff looks yummy, doesn't it? Sprinkle that on top of your pancakes. It's what puts the hair on the bottom of your feet. Yummy stuff. It's chocolate pudding. Now let's cut open the filter. Filter wasn't really getting supplied that much oil, but it's all lightly slimy, sludged up all through the pleats, the bottom of it. That's pretty nasty. Yeah, so here I'm just taking the lid off the gallon of milk and gonna pour some chocolate milk for the child. Let's go ahead and pull the filter out. This is what we call the milk filter, right? See all that nice, juicy, slimy milk down in there? Wow. This is when it starts to curd and turn to chocolate milk cottage cheese. Yeah, it's pretty good stuff. Here's the stuff you want to put on top of your pancakes. Yep. This stuff is terrible. Nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Well, if we have to do any chemical cleaning testing on solvents that are out on the market, I think we got plenty of sludge and stuff now that we can test and see what the product works the best. This is just gross. Yeah, looks like we're gonna be.
And the turbo went out too because it was being starved for oil.
$25,000, $30,000 motor. After it's already had one, it looks like at one point with all the markings in the back. Yeah.